Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start on the computer you want to access. Enable Remote Desktop and choose which accounts can connect. Once done, open Windows Firewall and allow the Remote Desktop rule for TCP 3389 so network traffic can reach the host. Make sure the host has a static local IP or a DHCP reservation, because you don't want its address to change mid-task. Finally, note the host name or IP and verify the user password works. You'll need these for the next step. On your client device, open the Remote Desktop client and paste the host IP or host name. If the host uses a non-standard port, append it like host 3390. Click Connect and respond to any certificate prompts. This confirms identity but doesn't always mean danger. When prompted, enter the allowed account credentials and, if applicable, the domain. Make sure clipboard and drive redirection settings match your privacy needs. Once connected, adjust display, sound, and resource settings for a smooth session. Finish by securing and validating the session. If you're connecting across the internet, use a VPN or at least change the default port and enforce strong passwords. If the client can't connect, restart the remote desktop services or reboot the host, because stuck services are a common cause. Also verify router port forwarding and public IP or dynamic DNS settings. One key troubleshooting tip: run a port check from the client to ensure TCP 3389 or your custom port is reachable before further diagnosis.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.